You're practicing breaststroke and you feel like you're going nowhere, or you feel a loud splash. Pay attention to this video because I'm going to go through exactly why this is happening and how to correct it. Hey swimmers, welcome back to the Swim Vice channel. I'm Coach Mandy, and today's quick tip video is on how to improve your breaststroke kick if you feel like you're going nowhere and you have zero leverage. Now, before I get started, if you're new to the channel and you're looking to improve your swim technique, and also for those that have been watching and find value in the Swim Vice channel, please show your support by hitting the subscribe button at the red button below. That way you stay notified for new exciting content weekly. Okay, let's get into it.
When practicing breaststroke and you feel a loud splash and you feel like you're going nowhere, this is what's occurring, and that is pointing your feet during the kick phase of breaststroke. Most likely when you're pointing your feet is your feet are elevated out of the water, as seen here. At this point, there's zero way to really press against the water, and you feel like you're going nowhere and you have no leverage. In order to correct this, you must keep your feet under the water and turn out completely. Once you're able to correct this part of the motion, you will not feel any splashing. Rather, you'd feel more of a glide moving you forward during the kick phase of breaststroke. Overall, your movements will feel more fluid, and you'll actually get to feel a press and resistance against the water correctly to be able to feel a really good glide after every kick. And lastly, if you point your feet during the kick phase, you can either disrupt your body position by sinking further down, or you're going to feel a very loud splash and it's going to feel abrupt. Any of those abrupt movements are not aiding in forward momentum. So think it's very smooth, quiet, zero splashing. You have to turn your feet out. This is the most important phase of breaststroke, and this is where you get the most power and glide within the stroke cycle.
All right, swimmers, enjoy your practice, and I will see you all next week.